Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You're about to get Video Quest playing again. First, make sure the Discord app and your operating system are fully updated, because outdated software often breaks playback. Once done, restart Discord and your device to clear temporary glitches. This resets caches and stuck processes. While it boots, verify your network, switch Wi-Fi to Ethernet or vice versa, and test bandwidth so you know whether connectivity is the cause before moving to deeper fixes. Now tackle configuration problems that stop video quests. Clear Discord's cache and log out, then back in to refresh credentials and temporary files. If that fails, reinstall the app to replace corrupted binaries. Next, disable or enable hardware acceleration and review voice and video settings. Frame rate, quality, and camera permissions can block streams. Finally, replicate the quest in Discord Web, a different device, or with a throwaway account. Finish by addressing system-level blockers. Update your GPU drivers and camera firmware because drivers often fix encoding issues, and confirm camera privacy settings allow Discord access. Make sure the server region and channel bitrate aren't capping video. Adjust permissions so quests can stream. If the problem persists, collect app logs and a short screen capture that shows the failure, then contact Discord support. One tip: reproduce the issue step by step before reporting, so you provide clear reproduction steps and speed up resolution.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.